5 grams and augmented reality, transforming the user experience. Title: 5 grams and augmented reality, transforming the user experience. Introduction. The advent of the fifth generation, 5 grams, wireless network technology has brought about a significant transformation in many industries. One area that stands to benefit greatly from this technological leap is augmented reality, AR. With its promise of ultra-low latency, high-speed data transfer, and massive connectivity, 5 grams is set to revolutionize the user experience in our applications. In this article, we will explore the convergence of 5 grams and augmented reality, and how this combination is poised to transform various aspects of our daily lives. 1. Enhanced real-time interactions. One of the key limitations of current AR experiences is the latency in data transfer and processing. With 5 grams, this bottleneck is eliminated, enabling real-time interactions with augmented content. Either it's gaming, live streaming, or remote collaboration, users can now experience seamless and immersive AR environments without any noticeable lag. This real-time responsiveness opens up a whole new world of possibilities for applications that require instant feedback and interaction. 2. High-quality graphics and immersive experiences. 5 grams high data transfer speeds enable our applications to deliver stunning, high-quality graphics that rival those of dedicated gaming consoles. With reduced latency, users can enjoy smooth and realistic augmented visuals, adding a new level of immersion to their experiences. From photorealistic virtual objects to lifelike simulations, 5 grams powered AR has the potential to blur the line between the physical and digital realms, creating truly unforgettable experiences. 3. Multi-user collaborative AR. 5 grams massive connectivity capabilities pave the way for multi-user collaborative augmented reality experiences. With the ability to connect thousands of devices simultaneously, users can now engage and shared AR environments, enabling collaborative work, interactive gaming, and social interactions. From remote team meetings to multiplayer gaming sessions, 5 grams powered AR fosters enhanced communicate and cooperation, bringing people together in a virtual space like never before. 4. Seamless integration with IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, has already transformed our homes, cities, and industries. The combination of 5 grams and AR opens up new possibilities for seamless integration with the IoT ecosystem. Imagine using our glasses to effortlessly control and monitor smart devices in your home, or navigating a smart city with contextual AR overlays providing real-time information on points of interest. 5. Revolutionizing education and training. Augmented reality has already shown immense potential in education and training, enabling interactive and engaging learning experiences. With 5 grams, this potential is magnified as our content can be delivered seamlessly to students and trainees in real time. From virtual field trips to hands-on simulations, 5 grams powered AR allows learners to explore and interact with content that was previously inaccessible. This combination has the power to revolutionize education and training, providing personalized, immersive, and highly interactive learning experiences. 6. Healthcare and medical applications. The convergence of 5 grams and augmented reality has the potential to revolutionize healthcare and medical applications. With ultra-low latency and high-speed data transfer, AR can be used for real-time surgical guidance, remote consultations, and medical training. Surgeons can use AR overlays to enhance their visualization during complex procedures, reducing the risk of errors and improving patient outcomes. Moreover, 5 grams powered R can enable healthcare professionals to remotely monitor patients in real time, providing personalized care and early intervention. 7. Entertainment and media experiences. The combination of 5 grams and R opens up exciting opportunities for entertainment and media experiences. Users can engage in interactive and immersive R games, where virtual characters and objects seamlessly blend into the real world. This fusion of the physical and digital realms creates a captivating entertainment experience that transports users to new dimensions. Additionally, 5 grams powered RCA and enhance live events such as concerts and sports matches, offering spectators a unique perspective and personalized content overlays. 8. Retail and e-commerce. 5 grams powered R has the potential to transform the retail and e-commerce industry. Using R, customers can visualize products in real-world environments before making a purchase. For example, they can virtually try on clothes, preview furniture in their home, or test how electronics will fit into their space. This immersive shopping experience bridges the gap between online and in-store shopping, enhancing customer engagement and reducing the rate of product returns. Moreover, retailers can leverage R to provide personalized recommendations and tailored advertising, improving customer satisfaction and boosting sales. 9. Architecture and design. With 5 grams and R, architects and designers can revolutionize their creative processes. R overlays can be used to visualize and manipulate designs in real time, allowing for efficient collaboration and faster decision-making. Architects can create virtual walkthroughs of their designs, providing clients with a realistic preview of the final product. This not only enhances communication between stakeholders but also improves the accuracy of design implementation. 5 grams powered R empowers architects and designers to bring their visions to life in a more interactive and immersive manner. 10. Tourism and travel. 5 grams powered R has the potential to enhance the tourism and travel industry. Tourists can use R-enabled devices to navigate cities, access localized information, and discover hidden gems. R overlays can provide historical context and virtual guides, enriching the tourist experience. Additionally, travel agencies can leverage R to offer virtual tours of destinations, allowing potential travelers to explore different locations from the comfort of their homes. This combination of 5 grams and R creates a more personalized and immersive travel experience, enticing tourists and boosting the tourism industry. 11. Industrial applications. Beyond the consumer market, the convergence of 5 grams and augmented reality also has significant implications for industrial applications. R can be utilized in manufacturing processes to provide real-time instructions and guidance to workers, reducing errors and improving efficiency. With 5 grams ultra-fast speeds and low latency, R can deliver critical information instantly, enabling workers to make informed decisions on the shop floor. Additionally, R can be used for remote maintenance and repair, allowing experts to guide technicians from a distance using R overlays. This combination enhances productivity, reduces downtime, and streamlines operations in various industrial sectors. 12. Gaming and esports. The gaming industry is no stranger to technological advancements, and the convergence of 5 grams and augmented reality brings exciting new possibilities to gaming and esports. With 5 grams low latency and high speed data transfer, our games can offer seamless interactions between virtual and real-world elements, making the gaming experience more immersive and exciting. Imagine battling virtual enemies in your own living room or participating in multiplayer R games that span across entire cities. 5 grams powered our gaming opens up a new dimension of excitement and competitiveness, blurring the line between and the physical and digital realms. 13. Transportation and navigation. 5 grams powered R has the potential to transform transportation and navigation experiences. Our overlays can provide real-time navigation guidance, alerting drivers to road conditions, traffic congestion, and points of interest. By projecting information directly onto the windshield, drivers can keep their eyes on the road while receiving important information. Additionally, 5 grams enabled R can enhance